Welcome to FastAccounts.io. How to add assembly template in FastAccounts. The assembly module in FastAccounts is designed for businesses involved in manufacturing or assembling products. This module enables users to efficiently manage their stock by allowing them to create composite products from various components or raw materials. In the assembly module of FastAccounts, a template refers to a predefined set of components and their quantities required to assemble a specific product. Templates serve as blueprints for creating composite products by specifying the components and their respective quantities needed for assembly to run the job. After logging in, navigate to the Templates tab under the Assembly section. Here, you'll find a list of existing assembly templates. To create a new template, click the Add New button in the top right corner. Enter the desired template name. Next, select the finished product. Note that the finished product must be added to the inventory first. Choose the desired production unit for the finished product. Specify the product quantity, indicating how much you're manufacturing in this template. Choose the products used in manufacturing the finished product. If the location module is enabled, select the location from which the products are being sourced. Specify the quantity of raw materials per unit or the total quantity required. Only one quantity field needs to be entered, as the other will be auto-calculated. Add any non-stock products such as services like consultancy, etc. are utilized. Select any expenses incurred during manufacturing, such as labor costs or electricity. Enter the rate and quantity of each expense. Add any necessary notes. After providing all details, click Save and Close. You can then view and edit the template from the Action column, or copy and delete it from the drop-down menu. Thank you for watching, and we hope this video was helpful.